Here is our 2022 registered 22 plate Warwick Duo. This van is in metallic silver with the new slate fabrics, and it is the 2.2 165 brake horsepower 6-speed manual. If we look inside the cab area here, you can see that we've got the new Zenek 9-inch multimedia screen giving you DAB radio, full connectivity through iOS or Android, rear reversing camera, etc. We've got the 6-speed manual gearbox here, and of course we've got the cruise control and cab air conditioning as standard. If we look into the van, we've got the kitchen area here with the combination oven and grill and 3-burner hob. Of course, you've got the hot and cold running water through the sink and the drainer there, and plenty of worktop space. You've got the microwave, of course, and if we look along the top here, plenty of storage space in the van and plenty of storage space in the kitchen area. On the side here, you've got, of course, your fridge. And as we walk down the van, we walk into the rear lounge area, which have got 2 really long benches that can be used either as single beds, or of course you can pull them together to make a double. And again, you can see further storage. Of course, we've got the hanging wardrobe here. This is one of the design features of the Warwick Duo. You've got the hanging wardrobe, so you've still got use of the full length of the bench on that side, and of course you've got storage underneath these benches. Back doors are fully opening, so you can reverse up to a view, pop the back doors open and enjoy the view. You've got a little socket there that takes hold of the chrome leg for the occasional table. And if we have a peek in here, this is the hanging wardrobe, and you can see you've got the chrome leg and the occasional table there that just pop into that slot. Above the cab, you've got a further table which can be used again either in between the 2 seats here, or of course outside with the outside gas tap and used under the awning, etc. If we look in the shower and toilet area, you can see that you've got the toilet area here. You've got a fold down sink, so this simply pulls down for your ablutions and then simply folds away when you want to use the loo, or of course you want to take a shower in here. So, beautifully specified van, as Auto Sleeper always is, in excellent condition. Of course, with just 289 miles on it, it is simply just like new. So if you'd be interested in any further information in this van, please feel free to contact Derby Motorhomes on 01332 360 222. Thanks for watching. Bye.